Hey guys, Chris from Versus 3D at 3D Printing Canada. Just wanted to do a quick video and let you know that we have gift cards. Here they are. This isn't all of them. We have a lot more than this. They're downstairs. Anyway, you can buy these in the store. You can buy them online. If you do buy them online, we don't send you a card. It is an e-gift card. So you get a redeeming code to purchase stuff. And speaking of purchasing stuff, we just finished a video that you guys can watch that will be posted soon on all these new products that you can buy with your gift card. So just wanted to let you know, we've got them. Come on down or check it out online, www.3dprintingcanada.com. And if you want to know when this video gets posted, don't forget to ring the bell so you can do the like and the subscribe and all the stuff, and leave a comment. And that's all I got. Take it easy.